Hello grade 10s and welcome to another mathematics lesson under the topic of data handling. Right now we're going to be dealing with measures of dispersion. Please note that I will be going through the theory in part 2, right? This is just what is expected of you. Okay, please take this down. I modified it from siavula.com. So number 1 says a group of 17 learners count the number of sweets they each have. This is the data they collect: 4, 11, 14, 7, 13, 2, 5, 8, 7, 12, 15, 5, 9, 1, 6, 10, 7. 1.1 states, calculate the mean number of sweets. 1.2 states, write down the mode. 1.3 states, what is the median value? 1.4 says, determine the range. So we can see from these questions that we have to rearrange our data, right, in ascending order. So lowest to highest. So number 1 is the first one. We don't have another one. So number 2 is the second data set. Do we have another number 2? We don't. Number 4 is the third. Do we have another 4? No, we don't. Number 5, there are 2 of them. After 5 comes 6. 6 is number 6. How many 7s do we have? 1, 2, 3. So 7, 8, 9. After 7 comes 8. 10. Do we have a 9? Yes, we do. 11. Do we have a 10? Yes, we do. 12. Do we have an 11? Yes, we do. 13. Do we have a 12? Yes, we do. 14. Do we have a 13? Yes, we do. 15. Do we have 14? Yes, we do. 16. The last one is 15. 17. There's supposed to be 17 in total. We can check if there is no numbered value. They are all numbered, right? So 1.1 states, calculate the mean number of sweets. N is 17, right? So you write the formula. Mean, which is x bar, is equal to the summation of x over n, right? Which is summation of x. You can put them in any order, it doesn't care. So it's going to be 4 plus 11 plus 14 plus others in between plus the last one is 7 over n, which is 17. Start with the numerator first. So 4 plus 11 plus 14 plus 7 plus 13 plus 2 plus 5 plus 8 plus 7 plus 12 plus 15 plus 5 plus 9 plus 1 plus 6 plus 10 plus 7. It's 136. Divided by 17. So we have the mean number of sweets is 8 sweets. I hope that makes sense. 1.2 states, write down the mode. Okay. Remember, the mode is the most frequently occurring score. Which one occurs often? 7. There's 3 of them, right? So the mode 7. 1.3 asks, what is the median value? Remember, the median value is the value in the middle. So position of the median is half n plus 1. N is 17 plus 1, 18. The median is in position number 9. Position number 9, which value is position number 9 here? 7. So the median is 7. 1.4 states, determine the range. If you don't know, so range is max minus min. Maximum value, the last value, number 17, is 15. Minimum value, the first one is 1. So range is 15 minus 1 is 14. I hope that makes sense. Number 2 states, what do we call the difference between the maximum value and the minimum value in the data set? That is called the range. Number 3 states, what do you call the 3 data values that divide an ordered data set into 4 groups that contain an equal number of data values? These values are called quartiles. Hope that makes sense. Number 4 asks, what do you call the 50th percentile or median? Remember, the median is also called the second quartile. Q2, or the middle quartile. Number 5 asks, what do we call the 25th percentile? Remember, the 25th percentile is called the first quartile. Q1, or the lower quartile. Number 6 asks, what do we call the 75th percentile? The 75th percentile is also called the third quartile. Number 7 asks, what do we call the 9 data values that divide an ordered data set into 10 groups? They are called deciles. Hope that's clear enough. Number 8 asks, what do we call the measure of dispersion that is calculated by subtracting the first quartile, Q1, from the third quartile, Q3? So Q3 minus Q1 is the interquartile range. IQR. Hope that's clear enough. Number 9 states, what do we call half of the interquartile range? Half the interquartile range is called the semi-interquartile range. Okay, number 10 states, a group of 21 children count the number of playing cards they each have. This is the data they collect. 5, 1, 3, 1, 4, 10, 1, 3, 6, 4, 9, 11, 5, 2, 7, 8, 12, 2, 6, 9, 8. Calculate the mode, range, quartiles, and interquartile range. So first you rearrange the data in ascending order. The lowest are the ones. So we have 1, 2, 3. Are there any other ones? No, there aren't. Twos, it's this one, that one. Threes, fours, fives, 10, 11, sixes, 12, 13, sevens, 14, eights, 15, 16, nines, 17, 18, tens, 19, 11s, 20, 12s, 21. 21 in total. You check if they are all numbered. Indeed, they are all numbered, right? The mode is the most frequently occurring score. We have 3 ones, right? The others are in sets of 2. So the mode is 1 because it occurs mostly, right? Then range. Range is mean minus max. Oh, sorry, it's actually the reverse. My mistake, it's max minus mean. So number 21, 12 minus minimum is 1. So the range is 11. Range is 11 cards. Mode is 1 card. Now we need the quartiles, right? Position of Q1 is 1 over 4 times n, 21 plus 1. So 5.5 between 5 and 6. 5 is 2. What is 6? 3. Q1 is 2 plus 3 is 5 over 2 is 2,5. Q2 is half times n plus 1. Number 11, it's 5. Q3, it's 3 over 4. So 16,5 between 16 and 17. 16 is 8, 17 is 9. 8 plus 9 is 17. Over 2, it's 8,5. Then we need to calculate the interquartile range. So, forgive me. Q3, 8,5 minus Q1, 2,5. 5s are gone. 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay, I hope that makes sense, right? If you found this helpful in any way, please click the like button and subscribe for more content. I hope to see you again, and thank you very much.